Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to Madam and my friends. I am Ani Sofia binti Isa, and my matrix number is 33DVC19F1003. So today, my group members and I will present about a product that we choose, which is a snack vending machines. So now, I'm going to describe the features of a snack vending machines. Firstly, it has a payment system versatility that can treat us royally by allowing several payment options. We no need to fish around in our pocket for change. Second is it has a larger product display for display window. Definitely, the larger glasses can catch more eyes and make more sales all day long. Thirdly, what I love about the features that have on snack vending machine is it has a bigger user interface touch screen. We can use submitting our choice of snacks more pleasant. In addition, it also have Braille identified keypad for side impact use and operator programming. So that's all the features that I have described about a snack vending machines. Next, I will pass to my friend Alisha for the next point.
As we dive into the characteristic of a snack vending machine, my first and foremost point is cost is lower. The price of a snack vending machine ranges from a few thousand to 2 or 3,000. The capital investment is small and it is suitable for operators with limited financial strength such as groups and individuals. Other than that, vending machines have a high flexibility. Schools must rent a relatively large area, suitable site, resources are relatively small, and the cost of leasing and decoration is high. While the flexibility is unmanned vending machine is much higher, squares, schools, service halls and tourism attractions, airport and other places can be placed, and the shopping needs of consumer in these places can be solved. In addition, snack vending machine is easy to manage. The snack vending machine has a mature design, rich functionality and stable performance, and is relatively easy to maintain. Through the cloud backend, school can manage multiple snacks vending machines in batches to realize digital and intelligent operation throughout the process. Moreover, the snack vending machine is also more efficient. Vending machines are faster, easier and more secure. Under the super camera of the unmanned school areas, a closed small space seems to be more suitable for the vending machine. Besides that, it is easier to maintain. There is no case where the vending machine is messed up by the customer and there is no need to organize the shelves. Only one action is required: replenishment. The unattended convenience store is not the case. After the unmanned shop has been selected by more than a dozen customers, the scene will become awkward.
So now, I will explain about the function of a snack vending machine. Firstly, the function of a snack vending machine is it offers efficient service of system which it helps to automate the entire vending process. Second, the snack stored in the vending machine available for 24/7 hours so that we can buy it anytime that we want. Third, the imperative for vending machine to return the exact change to the user to ensure that users do not overpay for the snack. Next, I will demonstrate one of the function of a snack vending machine that I just said just now, which is I choose the function of that offer efficient service system. For example, it is cashless payment options that we can choose. We can pay via the green light cashless, which is have a payment system that accepts the credit, debit, and mobile payment. Yeah.
Important in caring for snack vending machine is that it will facilitate the activities of other students who depend on such facilities. If the vending machine becomes the victim of vandalism, the student will have difficulty using it because they do not feel comfortable. This will result in losses not only to the student but also to the teachers that bear the losses. Therefore, vending machine should be shared responsibly of all students so that we all can be benefited from it. Furthermore, this vending machine should get a proper care from all parties because it shows appreciation for the students' initiative in facilitating the others. Like stuffs and nails, the school authority and the student need each other. Therefore, all initiatives in providing facilities to the school need to be supported and cared for carefully. School facilities such as chairs, tables and whiteboards are costly, and in the event of damage, the losses incurred are wasted. Costs used to repair damage to school facilities that should not have happened can be channeled towards more useful things.
This is how modern vending machine works. Stuck snacks are the worst part about using vending machines. And here's how the newer ones fix the problem. Light sensors measure the size of the coin you put in. And magnets detect the metal type. The coins are either sorted or rejected if they're fake. Infrared technology makes sure your snack doesn't get stuck. These motors in the back turn the spiral holding the snack. There are infrared beams at the bottom. If the beams aren't close, the motor just turns the coil again. The snack always makes its way out.
So I will proceed with my points, which are problems of the vending machine, the solution we can make, and the conclusion. So my first point for the problem is that most vending machine only serve snacks. So I can deny that snacks are actually popular, but somehow I believe that um, people actually prefer meals over snacks. My second point is that there is no vegan friendly vending machine. Most vending machines sells snacks and meals that is meat based. So there is like literally no option for the vegans. My last point for problem is that we can only pay the actual price for the snack we purchase. This is quite fussy since we might want to buy something from the vending machine, but we don't have any small notes with us, and it is quite fussy. So the solution for this are um, vending machine should offer a meal which is halal friendly as well. So um, for example, like we are traveling and we are hungry and there is no stall or restaurants nearby, we can just grab something from the vending machine um, without any doubt since we know it is halal. Next is make an option for the vegans. Okay, so when we make um, plant-based food for the when vending machine actually sells um, plant-based food, this will give an option for the vegans to purchase. A vegan can purchase meals from the vending machine without any doubt. My last point for solution is that make the machine able to process big nuts and can give the change back. Um, when the vending machine can process the big nuts, we can buy meals even when we only have big nuts with us. So we don't actually need to carry small nuts in order to buy some snacks or meals from the vending machine. In a nutshell, a vending machine is actually quite useful in our daily basis since it is easy to use and we can just grab some snacks to eat later or when we in a like when we are in a rush we can just grab some foods and enjoy it. I guess that is all from me. Thank you.